In this video, you will learn how to create a bar chart in Adonis. You can use bar charts to compare objects based on numerical values or categories. Click on Plus Chart. Select Bar. Choose the type of objects you want to analyze and the attribute that determines the bar length. Click on Update View. And there you have it. Additionally, click on Color to enable coloring and create your own heat map. Alternatively, use a template. The necessary options will be selected automatically. Don't forget to save your analysis. Have a look at the Adonis online help for more information.